For the HTML Make a Web Page assignment, the second instruction tells us to go to this website. It's a tutorial that teaches us all about HTML and how to build a web page. So I'm going to click that and go there. I need to make sure that I have my file set up correctly. So if I open the webpage.html with Notepad, it should look something like this. And then I can switch back. If I open it in the browser, it will look like this. So I need to make sure that I can make a change. In my first paragraph, maybe we'll say skiing. Save it, come back here and refresh it, and it will refresh. So as long as that works, then we can move on and go to the examples page. So I clicked the link from the assignment, and this is the examples page. What I want you to do is to, as it says here, click the button below each of the first 5 sections. These are the first 5 sections right there. And the button below is called Examples Explained. So if I go there, here's the first section, HTML Basic, and there's the button that I want you to click, Examples Explained. HTML Attributes, Examples Explained. For the first 5, up down to Styles, Examples Explained. So let me show you what this does. Examples Explained. Okay, so I just go through, and first it talks about documents, HTML documents, which we already learned about, so we could probably skip that one. HTML headings is the next one, and it says these are the heading tags, H1 to H6. Now, these are great. If you click on Try It Yourself, it brings it up. It opens up a new tab and allows us to try out this code, and it gives us some examples. Okay, 6 different heading tags: opening tag, closing tag of H1, which is heading 1, and what it does is this: makes it this big. Heading 2, that big. Heading 3, that big. So we can use that. We can just copy and paste those if we wanted them into our document. When you're done with it, you can close that and go to the next one, HTML paragraphs. It talks about paragraphs and how you can line them up right, one on top of each other, but then what the tag does is it gives an extra space in between. And then links. Links are fun. If I try the links, this is what it does, but if I copy and paste this into my document, if I just come down here and paste that right there, it gives me that link. And so it's a little bit different. This right here is the opening tag, just like P or H1. This is the link tag. It's an ahref tag. Now the web page is right here. So what I can do is just plug in my own website that I want it to go to. If I'm doing skiing, I could do Canyons Resort, which is one of my favorite resorts.com. And then I can save it, and if I do it correctly, I can go back here and refresh. F5 on the keyboard does it, and there it is. Here's a link. If I click it, it takes me to that web page, which is now Park City, sadly. No more Canyons Resort. I guess it's all combined. But it took me to that link, and I can go back, and there it is. I can go back to I can put whatever link I want there, and it will go there. I can even name it something different, like Park City Resort, I guess is what it is. If I do a Control S, come back here, F5, it changed to Park City Resort. Okay, back to the examples. I can close that one. The next one is an image, which is also nice to have an image in there. And so you can just play around with the code here. Here's the image. This is what the code looks like. You can copy and paste it and use it to how you want. If I change this to different height and width, just to see what it does, I can click See Result, and it changes it. It changed my height and width. So that's what I want, is you to go through all of those. Once you get to the bottom, click back and go to the next one, which is Attributes, Examples Explained. These all are individual, but this one goes through all of them. Once you get to the bottom, the last one, Styles, and you've done all of them, well, then you should know enough to be able to get the assignment done. This shows you how to make different colors, how to do lots of different things. And really, it's just learning the text, copying and pasting it into our own document, and using it how we need to use it to complete the assignment, to make a web page.